Hey guys, Dylan here, RockCrawlinJeeps. So today I'm going to work on my Wrangler. Zach is working on his company trailer over there, and I'll let him do that, and I'm going to do a little bit of maintenance on mine. I've been kind of slacking a little bit. Just went ahead and changed the oil. No real issues there. The oil cap did break, so I got to go to the auto parts store and replace that. But
if you're a Jeep owner, you've probably had this happen to you, where the inside of the cap gets stripped out and then you got to channel lock it. Yeah. So not a big deal.
Yeah. But a couple other projects I want to work on today are some maintenance items I've been putting off. So I went and ordered some 10 factory outer axle seals. So there you go. Nice and simple. I do have a leak. I know the right way is to replace the inner axle seals. I had those replaced. They are still leaking. I don't want to mess with the diff right now. So, I figured I could go ahead and put these in there. They're greasable, and, I got them for a decent price, like $25 on eBay. So, yeah. So I'm going to knock those out, and then also my track bar bushing is completely destroyed. So I picked up a replacement from JKS there, and I'm going to swap that out as well. So let's get to it. Went ahead and pulled the left front tire off. I'm going to start on this side first. As you can probably see right there where the axle has been leaking. So pretty straightforward. In several other videos we've already done this. But I'm going to go ahead and pull the rotor and caliper and unbolt the axle shaft. It's that 13 millimeter 12-point socket. So I'm going to go ahead and get that knocked out real quick. Alright guys, got the axle taken apart. It's not much to it, just 3 bolts to hook in the wheel hub bearing assembly. So I went and pulled that. I don't need to tear that apart at all. It's in good shape. I actually replaced it not too long ago. And I just went and took a wire brush, just cleaned all the gunk out, and I'm ready to get that new seal in. So I got the seal in a few curse words later, but it's in. So there she is, and I went ahead and already filled up the grease fitting there. I put it towards the back just so it's convenient to get to. So I'm going to go ahead and slide the axle shaft in, get this all bolted back up, and then I'll see you on the other side. Alright guys, I got the passenger side new axle seal in. You can see it right there. Looking good. Added a little touch-up paint, got to keep things nice. So now, not so fun, but I'm going to pull the track bar. The lower side bushing is completely destroyed. I showed the other bushing in our intro there. So I'm going to get that swapped out. So I got the track bar out. Here's the old bushing. And quite a bit of play in there. And I'm just moving that with my finger, so you can only imagine what a vehicle is going to do to it. So I'm going to go put this on the press and push that bushing out. I got the new bushing pushed in with a little help from Zach. So that's all nice and done, and I just gave it a coat of paint. Nothing special, it's just good old spray paint. It's going to get beat up on the trail, so no point in powder coating it or anything like that. So I'm going to go ahead and get it put back in, and hopefully it'll be a nice, much more stable ride on the road. Well, I think we're finally done on the Wrangler today. So did the axle seals, changed the oil, and for probably the last hour and a half I've been fighting the track bar. But we finally got it in and bolted up, and it's nice and tight. So ready for a test drive, and let's see how she does.
Cool. Walk these fine folks at home through what you changed out.
Yeah.
I would, but I'm lazy and drinking, so.
Oil, pretty straightforward. There you go. Those are the axle seals. And then down here, this bushing for the track bar was completely blown out, and now that's been replaced. So driving it down the road should be a lot nicer. And I'm going to go take a spin and see how she does. So as always guys, like, comment, subscribe, share the videos, and we will see you next time.